Hello everyone. Good morning to you all. I hope you all are doing well. See, this is right now 5:30 o'clock and all the area is covered by mist. See, I'm enjoying this nature's gift. Today is our freedom fighters Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose 129th birthday. So I wish happy birthday to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. I hope you people will also celebrate. This nature is so beautiful. I always spend my time with nature because I love nature. I love to spend my time with nature. Nature gives me positivity and I can spend my whole days with positivity. This is so cold in outside, but yes, see these drops, dew drops. This is betel nut tree, and this is a flower tea. In Bengali we say karobi. I don't know what is it called in English. And this is the fruit of that tree. I love that. When I was in class, I mean in my childhood, I always play with this fruit. You people will relate with this like kori. We used to play kori with that fruit. This is my village, all covered by mist. And hope all the aspirants are doing well. You are well preparing yourself. Tomorrow is our exams. Form fill up will start. And yeah, I don't get time to make videos. Uh, but I wish all of you to be succeed very well. And this is the nature. Just this is a bamboo tree. There are more tree. Enjoy. Nature is our. Enjoy. Sleep well, because if you don't sleep well, you can't give your best in study. Those who are sleeping only 2-3 hours, don't. I don't know how it would be um, work for them, but yeah, I always sleep 5 to 6 hours so that I can give my best in the next day. I'm not showing my face because there is a reason, but I am showing nature's face, which is the more precious thing. You just live this nature and start your day. A good day ahead. Goodbye.